Hey guys, so it's our first day at the new One Mart location in East End. We're doing an similar to the one in Roadtown that we did. And this is the main ground floor. So we've started to do the grinding and prep work. And we'll be here for a couple weeks doing prep, and then we'll install the epoxy flake when the project's further along. Hey guys, we're back at One Mart in East End today. It's a supermarket and we're doing this job. So it's a brand new construction, new concrete. We just finished last week filling all the cracks and holes with epoxy, and we grinded off the excess, and now we're passing the 400 grit resins on the floor machines. We stained 3 of the aisles, so we're going to finish completely the first 3 aisles and finish out that process, and then we'll continue with the rest of the areas. We have a lot of different colored stains on this job, so it's going to look pretty cool. Hope you like the video, guys. This is us grinding off the epoxy repair excess on the cracks prior to staining. After applying the concrete stain, we apply a chemical to harden the concrete before passing the machine over the stain. This protects the stain and allows for a better shine. We then buff the floor with an 800 and 1500 grit diamond pad and apply 3 coats of our water-based sealer, aka Guard. We replicate this process throughout the store using 4 different colored stains. This is us applying the green Ameripolish concrete dye or stain over the produce section. We let the stain dry several hours and sometimes overnight, and apply the lithium silicate densifier, which is the chemical used to lock in the color and harden the surface of the concrete, as I mentioned earlier in the video. In this clip, we're just cleaning the floor with water, giving it one final buff with the 1500 grit diamond polishing pad, and applying the 3rd coat of Guard, aka sealer. Due to the nature of polished concrete finishes, slight natural color variations and texture irregularities may appear due to the nature of the natural material on the surface of the concrete, which can add to the natural characteristics and unique look of the floor, which is the appeal of polished concrete finishes for many people. Staining or dyeing the concrete does not alter these natural characteristics of the slab, they often enhance it, but this is what makes concrete and stained concrete incredibly unique.